Hello everyone, JT9. So tonight we're in the master bathroom. We're going to do a couple things real quick. So actually what I want to do is I want to do at least two different things. So stick with me here. I want to acknowledge a couple companies that I have been working with or using in testing the last week or so. And one of them is the Bearded Raven. Got a couple of different oils of them, and you guys, I cannot say anything bad about this, or I can't even just get enough words to say, good about it. There it is right there. You can see I've been using quite a bit. Man, I like this stuff. It is the extra whipped butter, and it's for about 4 or 5 days now. It has replaced my nightly routine. I've just been doing this, and it's feeling good. So I like it. Probably going to, at least right now, be in my regular. So I think that's great. And yeah, you guys check out the Bearded Raven. They got some good stuff. I like it. Very good. And another one, and I'm sort of tying these in because I got them at the same time. I've been testing them, close at the same time. Sometimes I'll skip a day of Bearded Raven and then do Elite. And that is what I'm doing right now. And this is Elite Grooming. And it is the Truth that I've been checking out. So again, you guys, so just go back to Bearded Raven real quick. I can't say anything bad about it. It's all good stuff. The scents are really deep and just really made me go back. And so, yeah, really good, guys. This is another good one. We've been trying that, and you've seen this in another video of mine of how clear it is and how good it is. And the scent. So I'm just trying it. I know some of this stuff, it's just like, how did he come up with that? But I'm just like, and I have it right here. I just put it on. Man, it smells, I think it smells better out of the bottle. And I don't know, it's sort of smells, I don't know, like a room that's got the scent in it, and it's for relaxation, and it's sort of carefree. I don't know. I like it. It's good. I'm actually going to put that in right now, because on the next thing I want to talk about is, are you putting in your beard oil correctly? And I mean like now in the evening. If you're not doing it, or if you are in the morning right after a shower, your beard is damp, right? A lot of even the products will say apply to a damp beard or damp hair. The situation or the problem could be is in the evenings, are you doing that? Is it damp when you put in your oil or your other products for the evening? And I recommend evening. I recommend at least twice a day. And so in the evening, this needs to be damp, right? So let me just show you what I do here real quick. And I normally have the dollar store little one, and I don't know, somebody used it for something or whatever. So I've got this big one, and it's just water. And I put a little bit in there, and I move it around. It's thick, but once you get it in and moved around, I now have a damp beard. Or towel dry. You can towel dry. I don't think it needs it. I might do a little bit. You can see I got my hands a little wet. So I think I'm good. So at this stage here, I could grab my butter or different oils or whatever I'm going to put in. And right now I'm going to do the Elite Truth. Again, look at that pretty color. And I'm going to go. Sorry about the lighting on that. You guys can't see how much that I put in my hands. Had to warm it up a little bit. And let's put it in. And I just put it in, make sure I cover all my hair, but we're getting down to the skin because that's really where it needs to originate first. Is this oil is good, or is for your skin. underneath your beard, and then for your beard and your hair, and you'll feel it does wonders. You guys that have not used oils or products in your hair, it's a game changer, people, and I hope that you're doing that. So now I have placed my oil back into my beard for my nightly routine. And or let's just say that you didn't wash your beard in the morning, or you didn't shower. You shower in the evenings, but you got bed beard. Get it damp a little bit, move it in there, just like you jumped out of the shower, and put your products in. Now, what I will do with this also at this stage is right now probably I won't do anything. I'm going to put a comb through it. Or if I'm going to go out or be seen in public, or I want to get it shaped up a little bit more, this is the perfect time to put in either your balms or your butters or whatever and do your shaping. And you've got that dampness in there, and it will hold in that moisture. And that's really why you're spraying it, is because you want your products and if you've got oils or balms or waxes, whatever, it's going to hold in the moisture, and that's what we're looking for, right? So yeah, I will get my oil put in, and then I'll just do a quick, this is really on the outside here. To go thicker, I can grab one of my combs. This one here's a SavvyJack comb. And then if I was gonna go out, or even maybe don't want to have hair in my mouth, I might grab my SavvyJack wax. Some guys call it their, mustache stick, I believe. Get me a little wax going on there. Put a little bit down there on my soul patch and get that where you want it to go. I keep that stick in my pocket so it's warm all the time. And you guys, this might look a little weird. I actually have a mirror right behind my camera, and which is my phone. And so I know maybe it looks a little weird with me looking the way I'm looking there. So yeah. This is what I will do in the evenings while when I did oil, I may use a butter or a balm or my coconut oil. I have a routine that I do that. I do a hot oil treatment every once in a while. I can show you guys that. That's really good. Makes your beard nice and soft. But yeah, so I just really wanted to point out is, are you using the moisture when you're doing like your second round, or even say you get home from work, or you get home early and you're like, oh, I want to ship this one, put some oil in. You guys, just like you did in the beginning, get it damp. Get it, I just got out of the shower, towel dry, damp feeling, and then proceed on. Because I wouldn't be putting your product in dry, because like I said, this, with it being damp, it's holding in the moisture, and then you wouldn't really want to be using combs and stuff either on real dry hair. So you guys, there we go. We are all fixed up, and you guys stick around with me. I've got other products. I've got beard mail coming. I've got things that I'm reviewing right now and testing. So stick with me, and we will be doing this again soon. Everybody stay safe.